Today, 90% of industries use dangerous solvents, made from harmful materials for users and the environment. This represents approximately 6 million tons or 6 billion kilograms of VOC emissions. What are VOCs? These are highly volatile substances. They are therefore spread easily in gaseous form in the air. Many solvents pose health risks. Around 15% of the employed population are exposed to solvents. These solvents must disappear, for our health, but also for our planet. The impact on our health includes liver or kidney damage, damage to the central and peripheral nervous system, damage to the skin or mucous membranes, CMR effects, carcinogenic, mutagenic or reprotoxic. VOCs accentuate the presence of ozone in the atmosphere. Between 1970 and 1990, the concentration of tropospheric ozone for Europe increased from 10 particles per million to 50 particles per million. That's an increase of more than 2.4% per year. This increases the risk of asthma. Some of the VOCs are also harmful to animal species and were found to affect plants. Negative effect on trees, vegetables and fruits. An increase in the global temperature of the Earth is induced by the increasing presence of ozone. VOCs are also absorbed, in particular by clay and silt. They also affect the quality of drinking water. But we can change that. Technofox has worked on alternatives. Our products replace acetone, propanol, and other aromatic solvents using biodegradable and unclassified materials. Forget the safety pictograms. Non-carcinogenic, non-irritating, not harmful to the environment and the aquatic environment. An industry consumes on average 1,000 liters of solvent. This solvent evaporates and affects not only the staff but also the atmosphere. 50% will be waste to be eliminated, which will increase the carbon footprint of the product. Technofox reduces their consumption by 10 times. Our products are also not volatile and contain no VOCs. Less stock, but also less waste. For industrial degreasing before painting, for cleaning parts, for water and solvent-based paints, our products meet your needs and reduce your operating costs. Try our products now. Support us in order to preserve our planet and your health.